Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at question 3 from paper 1 from the Chemistry Multiple Choice External Exam for 2020. Yes. Now, as you know, with all the videos, I've started splitting them up into individual videos. That way I can go into a bit more depth on each question, not rush and make a big video out of it. The full exam video is still linked in the description. It's on YouTube still, so you can still watch it. But if you only struggle with a couple questions, you can go watch those exact questions. So, this one here is organic chemistry. Oh, actually, before we get into this one, if you need a chemistry external exam bundle pack, the link is in the description below. And if you want the advanced version, which is going to include pretty much physics, chemistry, math methods, and specialists, the waiting list is also down below as well. If you have any questions about this one here, leave something in the comments. But otherwise, let's get straight into it. So, question 3, we are shown this reaction here. And then here, they ask us pretty much, this general chemical equation represents the following type of reaction. Okay, so first of all, we need to know what we're looking at here. Now, as we can see here, the thing that confuses everyone is the N here. The N just represents a very long chain. So in this case here, it'd be like carbon, 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 however long it is, like N long, etc. Okay, so it doesn't really matter that guy there. What matters is what's changed here. Now we can see it's gone from a double bond to a single bond. That is the most important thing to recognize here. And here we're given different types of things here, okay? So first of all, let's explain why A is the correct answer and why the other ones are incorrect. So addition is correct because in the addition reaction, atoms or groups are being added across a double bond. So here we have a double bond, aka the C double bond C, becomes a C single bond, which means addition has occurred. So it's going from a double bond to a single bond. So addition is the correct answer. But more importantly, let's explain why these ones are incorrect, okay? So if we're thinking about hydrolysis, hydrolysis involves breaking bonds using water. Now, as we can see in this reaction here, there is no water present at all, okay? So B is incorrect straight away, okay? Esterification. Esterification forms when alcohols and acids have a reaction together. That is not present here. There's no alcohol or acids present. So C is incorrect. Condensation. Condensation involves two molecules joining with elimination of smaller molecules like water or like, let's say, HCl. Nothing is eliminated here. So that's why the other ones are incorrect and A is the most correct, okay? Well, A is literally what happens anyway. Okay. If you had any questions about this one here, you need to study organic reaction pathways a little bit more. If you had any issues at all with this question though, leave something in the comments and I'll try my best to answer it. But otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.